I ain't drunk. I'm just drinking. But you're so high. Oh man, you know I ain't high. But you're so high. Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then. But you're so high. You ought to be ashamed of yourself. Drunk all oh, come on now. You all don't feel like that.
Bam! Hey kids, welcome back. This is just a quickie. No rotor twister today, pure scotch, good stuff. Anyway, I went out and flew today. I gotta fix that. And what I flew was one of my babies, my Moka Gryff Lite. Okay, bad bird. This thing's running the Helio Spring flight controller, BL, 35 amp, all that crap. But here's the kick in the pants. Oh wow, that is trash. That's why I have bad reception. That's a problem. Here's the problem that I ran into. These are Cyclone, hang on a second. T5050Cs. If you have these, no wait, wrong one. Oh, anyway, what the fuck are they? Yeah, 5050CR, okay, the two-bladed jobbies. Throw them away. They suck. Those are, without a doubt, the worst bi-blades I have ever ran in my life. Terrible. So terrible, in fact, that it actually made the FPV camera have jello. You're going to see that in the DVR. The DVR is terrible, I apologize, but I didn't have any other props with me. I'm going to swap out. These are pretty badass here. These are something else. But anyway, yeah, throw these things away, guys, if you have them. They are so unbalanced, and I refuse to whip out my prop balancer and balance quad props. So anyway, this thing is running the Engineer X 2307 2700s, and oh my lord, it is fast. I mean, smoking fast. I really wish I would have had decent props on there so you guys could really appreciate how insane this was going. But anyway, you'll see the DVR. I actually lost it. It was pretty windy today. I lost it into a bunch of trees really high up, and I floored the bitch and got it out. But you can see what it did to the prop. It just, yeah, which is fine. I mean, they hold up okay. They've got good torque and they've got good speed, but man, are they out of balance. Bam! Terrible, terrible, terrible. But other than that, this bird performed so flippin' nice. Also, one thing to note, I am running the new special firmware for the Helio Spring flight controller, which is Odin. It's the Odin firmware that you have to download, blah, 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 and make all these changes, and you have to run multi-shot, and, blah, 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 and it is fucking tight. You can't tell by the video, but it flew amazing. So anyway, guys, stay tuned, and here's, I just really wanted to show you the speed of these frickin' motors. These things are just bad to the bone. The Odin firmware is awesome, and the props are fucking terrible. So, bam, until the next time, keep shining side up, kids. Bye.
Bam, JJ! Hope you like fishing. Bam, JJ! Hey, JJ! Hope you like fishing.